Managing stress better. Tool 2. Building awareness.
We can manage stress by building our awareness. We fail to appreciate or acknowledge what we have. This leads to dissatisfaction and distress. We now learn how to focus, engage, and pay attention better. When we give our full attention to any activity, we say we are focused. But when hooked by thoughts or feelings, we often do them poorly in an unfocused way and are unable to enjoy the activity. We forget where we are, who we are with, and what we are doing. We feel dissatisfied and cannot engage with the world fully. So, we need to build our awareness to feel less lost, to not get hooked or engrossed with feelings and difficult thoughts. Can you show us how to practice these skills?
Yes, you can practice these skills with any activity. You start with a cup of coffee or tea. You hold the cup and look at it curiously. You notice its color and the temperature carefully. You smell it and sip it. Savor the taste attentively. Swallow the tea now. Feel its texture in your mouth and drink it slowly. And whenever you get hooked by thoughts and feelings, bring your attention to your breathing and refocus on the tea.
Can you explain how we can do this with other activities?
Practice while you talk to friends and family. Listen to the tone of their voice and notice their expressions tenderly. Practice when you play or teach your kids to read. Simply give full attention to the game and each word on the sheet. Practice while you wash, cook, or do the chores. You will find that the dull and mundane tasks are better performed and you are not bored.
Okay, this is simple and doable. Stay focused, pay attention, stay alert to the hooks that cause distraction.
You have the tool. Use it to perfection. Building awareness will help you manage stress better and leads you to satisfaction.